New Vision Display manufactures display, touchscreen, cover lens, and screen protector components for various applications. Whether you're operating a touchscreen display on a medical device, the infotainment center in your car, or the thermostat in your home, that integrated unit is where NVD excels. NVD is unique from other manufacturers in this space. Rather than supplying standard parts, NVD specializes in custom solutions. From the time your interaction starts, an experienced application engineer takes your product from proof of concept to feasible design. We continue to support you through the entire process of bringing your product to market. While custom designs require an upfront tooling fee, they can be more cost-effective in the long term. By tailoring components to your product's unique design and specifications, you'll get the ideal solution for your application. NVD delivers the entire solution, saving you from dealing with multiple suppliers. Beyond our broad technology portfolio and customizations, NVD has over 3 decades of industry experience, coupled with expert teams of in-house design and manufacturing engineers. NVD is a preferred partner to the most recognized OEMs in the automotive, medical, marine, and industrial markets. With sales and technical staff located worldwide, our award-winning team is available around the clock. We'd love to discuss your project. Visit newvisiondisplay.com to speak with a sales representative today.